All right, before we get started here, just wanted to give a quick shout out to Fishing with Regan. Check out his channel if you haven't already. I caught his video on his top 3 ways to rig the NIKKO Hellgrammite. The third one was the Carolina rig, which I've never tried with the Hellgrammite. That's all they were biting tonight. So, yes, big shout out. Thanks, Regan. Yeah, anyway, here we go. Oh, and like, subscribe, comment down below. All that good stuff. Thanks. Hey, little guy snuck up on me. Yeah, I think we can get you in. All right, skunk tonight, I guess. Hanging out on that stump, was you? Well, that was a very weak hook set, but we found another one. There's another one that I shouldn't have a problem getting in here. Come here, little guy. Alright, finding them on these points and bits of structure. And they like the Carolina rig. Man, I barely even lifted the rod tip on you, buddy. I'm lucky to see you. There, you got double hooked. Alright, there he goes. And I'm in a tree. Back you go, friend. Yeah, none too pleased with all that now. Getting hit. Ooh. That feels a little better than the first one. Much better than the second. Come here, little fella. Alright, there he goes. I guess it's just all about this Carolina rig tonight, because that is all they are biting tonight. There you go.